today we have came up with a different type of indicator. Why it's different or why it's different from other indicator you will understand after watching this video for a while. And one thing I can say for sure is that you will definitely get benefit from watching this video. This indicator has a special quality that many traders need. That is, you can set up SL and TP by using this indicator. This means that with the help of this indicator, you will be able to understand where you need to set up your SL and TP. So let's start the video without wasting time. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. You are watching today's video, a special indicator. So how to set up this indicator? The indicator we will share today is called Heiken Ashi indicator. This is a great indicator. You will understand why it's important if you watch this video for a while. First of all, how to set up it. To set up, you will come to the insert option from MT4 platform. Then go to indicator option here. Then a page will appear. There you have to select custom option. So you can see below there have an option called custom. You have to click on this option. After clicking here, you need to find out the Heiken Ashi indicator. Here it is. I can see this indicator in the middle here. So you have to click on this indicator. Clicking there will bring a page. This is for setting the indicator. You don't have to do anything there. You can keep it as it is. But if you want to change the candle color, you can change it from here. Maybe you are wondering which candle. Anyway, we will explain. I set up this indicator. One thing you maybe notice is that there is no indicator in this chart, but something is changed in candle. So this is the indicator. That means it's also a kind of candlestick. We see about 3 types of chart in the market, such as line chart, bar chart and candlestick chart. More than that, we use candlestick chart and we use it always. And Heiken Ashi is such a candle chart. But this is an unimaginable candle chart that will be surprising for you. Now in our chart, we have candlestick chart and Heiken Ashi. Both are together. That's why it's looking different. But we will fix it. That's why you will select the line chart instead of candlestick chart. I'm saying again, after setting Heiken Ashi, you have to set up line chart. Then you can see we change our chart and we set up line chart and it change little bit clear. Now there are no candle in the candlestick chart. This is candle of Heiken Ashi because we have selected the line chart here. You can see that line here. If you want, you can set up the line chart first, then you can set up Heiken Ashi. So we have finished our setuping job. Also, you can change the color of line chart. If you think this line chart is making problem for your analysis, then you can change the color of this line chart. As you can see, we are changing. Now we have to do analysis. Now let's see how to do analysis by following this indicator. Before that, I would like to request you, those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So how to do analysis with it? We set up everything for analysis through Heiken Ashi. The difference between a normal candle and a Heiken Ashi candle is that in candlestick chart, there will be bullish candle or bearish candle when the market is uptrend. Or when the market is downtrend, you will see some bullish candle. But in Heiken Ashi, when the market is uptrend, you will get all the bullish candle. And when the market is downtrend, you will get all the bearish candle. This is the main difference between these two charts. For example, when the market is uptrend, every candle is bullish. And when it's downtrend, the candle are bearish. This feature is not available on normal candlestick. As you can see here, the market is rising, but there are many more bearish candles because this is candlestick chart. So that's why we will analyze through Heiken Ashi, because it's not a candle, it's an indicator that will give you a lot of support. For this, we need to remember some candle. Like when you see the bullish candle started after the end of the bearish candle and there is no lower shadow of the first candle, then you can take buy entry. I am saying again, remember, when the bearish candle is finished and bullish candle is made, so if there is no shadow, then you will take buy entry. As you can see here, the bearish candle has finished and the bullish candle has started to form and there is no shadow under the first candle. So entry can be taken safely from here. Except this system, you can take entry by following another system, that is with doji candlestick. So when you see bullish doji candle, then after that if you see a candle without lower shadow, then you can take buy entry. This means that after the end of a bearish trend, when you see a bullish doji in the market, then you need to see if the second bullish candle has an lower shadow. If there is no lower shadow, then you can take buy entry. There is a placement just you can see in this place. An entry could be taken from such a placement because here first a doji candle, then a bullish candle without any lower shadow. So here we can take buy entry. So from such a placement you can take buy entry. Again, in the same way you can take sell entry by following this indicator. So we will talk about this now. To take sell entry, you have to follow the same process. So when you see a bearish candle is made, that means red candle is made, then you will see if there is any upper shadow. So if you see there is no upper shadow on a bearish candle, then you will get a signal of market reversal. That is, you will get a signal to go downtrend. However, the condition here is that when the first red candle is made, you have to make sure that it has no upper shadow. Then that candle have a big body and a lower shadow. So when you see this thing in a candle, then you have to understand the market will go downtrend. So then you can take sell entry. Also, to get better confirmation, you can see two candles. This means that if two bearish candles are made in a row, that means two red candle is made which has no upper shadow, then you can take sell entry. And you can follow the same process in the case of buy entry. This is for better confirmation. But ultimately you will follow this process. In other words, this is a strategy where the candle will tell you which way the market will go. Anyway, let's see how to set up SL and TP. I said at the beginning, by following this indicator, you can set up SL and TP. So when you see bullish candle start after taking sell entry, you have to understand market is about to change its trend. So you can close your entry without taking any risk. Again, when you take a buy entry, then if you see a bearish candle in the market, then you can close your entry because you have made a buy entry. So when the red candle is made, then there is a possibility of changing the market trend because you have take a buy entry. So when the red candle is made, then there is a possibility of changing the trend of the market, as this candle change the color of the candle when changing the trend. This is exactly how you can follow this. However, don't forget to comment in the comment box how the strategy is and which strategy do you like. Let us know in the comment box. We will upload video on your topic. So before finishing the video, let's take a look at this strategy shortly. When you see the bullish candle started after the end of the bearish candle and there is no lower shadow of the first candle, then you can take buy entry. I am saying again, remember, when the bearish candle is finished and bullish candle is made, so if there is no shadow, then you will take buy entry. As you can see here, the bearish candle has finished and the bullish candle has started to form and there is no shadow under the first candle. So entry can be taken safely from here. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you're creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the FOREX BD's link. If you use FOREX BD's link, then you will get numerous benefit. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card, and you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time, do your account under FOREX BD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. Forex BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.